2013 Ford Fiesta silver. Still got the stock converter there. Then it's got a resonator in the middle. Then he brought his own muffler, which was a 3-inch in, 3-inch out, so we had to do an adapter and a 3-inch tailpipe on it for him into a 3-inch tip. The muffler he bought was a Rumble welded muffler 2-chamber, part number 17657 MGF. So if you guys want to get that muffler, you can look in the description for a link, hopefully, or the tip. You can go look in the description. Came out really nice, something different. So I said I'll record and let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. It's basically like a Flowmaster knockoff 2-chamber muffler. Ford Fiesta. Perfect? You don't want any louder than that? Not good. Sound decibels, go ahead. About 87. If he takes that resonator off, he'll probably increase it about another 10 decibels. Hope you guys like it. Ford Fiesta.